Hello all and welcome to the Music Composition 100. In this video we're going to talk about diatonic harmony again. We talked about this in a previous lecture where diatonic harmony are basically notes that are derived from white note scales or modes. We'll be talking about modes in a following slide or lecture. There are possible black note combinations based on whole steps, but this is only if the original scale is based on a mode. Again, there are certain modes that the Western music was derived from at first before the actual well-timbered scales of Western music came about. And we'll be going over those in the modes lecture, so stay tuned for that. Think of a famous diatonic scale as from C to C on all white notes. So you see I took this image from the previous lecture and put the diatonic melody slide here. Well, you can pick any one of these 8 notes and put chords with it. You can go like this. So you've got major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major. So you could take any one of these white notes from C to C on the piano and make 3-note chords out of these combinations of notes. And I just showed you the easiest way to do that is just go up the C scale in chord fashion. So that is basically what diatonic harmony is. It is different than chromatic harmony in that chromatic harmony uses all 12 tones. Whereas diatonic melody and harmony go like this. Or they're all modes there. So they're all basically modes, and that's the most natural form of scale or mode that you can have, and that's where diatonic harmony comes into play at first. Then we get into our normal major and minor scales, which we now have today, which have black notes in certain scales to make them major or minor or what have you. And that is also considered diatonic harmony because it's not using all 12 semitones. It's using combinations of them, but not all of them at once. So that's the difference. If you have any questions about diatonic harmony, and if you want me to go over more detail of this, please feel free to give me a comment in the comment section or Q&A or a question, and I will be happy to answer it. And in the next video, we will be going over triads and color and analogous harmonies so that you can get a better sense of what to do with that. So in the meantime, I will see you later and take care.